Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Thanks for joining us on this video. And before we get started on what we're going to do today, I just wanted to kind of talk about the purpose of my channel and what might interest you being here. My main goal when I started this channel is to My main goal was to help homeowners have some confidence in doing some of the work around their own house, so that you didn't have to go out and hire somebody to do some of the jobs that they had around the house. So that's really what I wanted to be able to do. We do a lot of projects around our home here. We're on 3.5 acres. We have multiple outbuildings. We have a big yard. We've got a pond. We've got trees. We've got trails. We've got kind of park areas. And in order to just help homeowners have confidence in doing some of their own work, so they didn't feel like they had to hire this stuff out. I don't have extensive knowledge really in anything. My job, I work in an office. I'm a program manager. So when I come home, I'm outside. My wife and I, we're outside, and we want to be outside, and we want to do these projects, and we want to do them together. And so that's the purpose of my channel, is to help other homeowners have the confidence in doing projects around their own home, and talking about maybe how much money they can save, because to hire a contractor to come in and do a lot of this stuff is expensive, and a lot of this stuff you can do yourself and pick up some tools along the way. That's what I enjoy about it. And a lot of times you can do it even buying tools. You can do it for cheaper than hiring somebody to do it. So that's the purpose of this channel, is to just show homeowners different things that we're able to do around the house, and we're able to do it ourselves, and having the confidence to do it. And you may not know exactly how to do it, but learn something along the way, and maybe you can help somebody else with maybe some of their projects. So that's the purpose. So today's video, we are gonna set the post for this gate that we want to put in here. This is the bridge over the dam on the pond, and we just have this makeshift fence up here. We want to put a gate here, so I pulled the gate from where we removed the fence on the other side of the dam. So we're going to repurpose this gate, and we're going to put it here. So I need to get the post set today for this gate. So give me a minute, let's get started. For those skeptics of the Bobcat 334, I got this stump out. It took me a bit, but that's a big old root ball right there. Look at that. You got it out though. Well, we're working on getting it out. I had to get all the way around that sucker. Anyway, that 7,500 pound excavator did it.